I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a test question for you on domain and range of functions. You can pause the video, copy the question answer, and then look into my suggestions. The question here is, determine domain and range of f of x equals to 1 minus square root of 4 minus 2x. You are given 4 different options. Option number 1 is domain x belongs to real numbers where x is less than equals to 2, range y belongs to real number, y is less than equals to 1. Then we have domain less than equal to 4 and range less than equal to 1. Domain less than equal to 4, range greater than equal to 1. Domain x greater than equal to 2 and range less than equal to 1. So I'd like you to think about it and then answer. Now this is actually a very difficult question. To solve, let us try to understand the equation itself. Equation given to us is f of x equals to, let me rewrite, then I hope it will be much more clear, minus 2x, and I'm writing this 1 on the other side, so plus 1. Do you see that? Now whenever you want to write transformations, you should actually factor this number out. So we'll factor this. So we have minus 2 factored, so we'll write x first, and we get minus 2 within the brackets, plus 1, correct? Now you can actually sketch and write down the domain and range, and you will definitely get the correct value. That is one way to do it. What I will suggest is, we can look at the function, and we know this function has a value 1, and this negative means the reflection on x-axis. So it is, this means reflection on x-axis. Now the graph has moved to position 1 and is reflected on x-axis. That means moving downwards, correct? So as it is moving downwards, our range, that means, should be y less than equal to 1. So that part is clear from here. Okay. Now let's look into the domain. For domain, we could have started from the same function itself. Within the square root, we should always have a non-negative number. That is to say, 4 minus 2x should be greater than equal to 0. Now let's solve. 4 is greater than equals to 2x. Dividing by 2, we get 2 is greater than equals to x, or you can say x is less than equals to 2, right? So that becomes the domain. So we have the condition here, x is less than equal to 2, which gives us probably this option, and no other option. And y is less than equals to 1, which is also the very first option, and therefore the combination A is just the right combination for us. Okay. Now as an exercise, I'd like you to sketch this particular square root function and check whether we have the right answer or not. But the method which I have shown here is probably the fastest way of getting answer for such a multiple choice question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.